Hi, everybody. It's Joshua Finkel from the Creative Combustion Acting Studio in Los Angeles, California. I'm so excited to join my fellow award winner, Judy Lawrence from Apostille VIP this coming Wednesday, January 4th at 4:30 p.m. Pacific, 7:30 p.m. Eastern. We're going to be doing a wonderful workshop with her professional notaries on presentation skills, public speaking skills, and working on client retention. So don't miss this incredible workshop this coming Wednesday, January 4th on the Clubhouse app in the Everything Notary group. And then, if you want to work with me later on, I'm offering a 10% discount off your first session after we meet in the Clubhouse group on January 4th. See you there, and let's make this new year full of success, joy, and lots of client retention. See you soon.